This video is powered by Samsung Exynos.
Alright guys, welcome back to the video, and today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to enable 4K video recording at 60 frames per second on your Galaxy S8 or your Galaxy Note 8. So this only has to be those running the Exynos variant. So you're using a Qualcomm variant, which is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 835. Unfortunately you can't do this trick because that chipset doesn't support 60 frames per second recording. Only the Exynos variants does support, so which is nice. But Samsung doesn't allow that feature to be enabled in the native camera app, so you have to install another APK file, which I'm going to show you guys shortly. So link in the description to the links to download the APK file for this video, so you can check it out. Once you've done that, you go ahead and install it. So I've already actually downloaded it in my downloads area. So I go to downloads. You can see I'm going to install the APK file. It's called rubber big pepper .lg camera. So you just go here, you can see the details. Go to details, you can see this is the name of the APK file, rubber big pepper LG camera. So yeah, I'm going to install this third-party camera app to get it to work. So let's go ahead and install it. So make sure you allow unknown sources, obviously, so you can install this APK file. The good thing about this way of installing the APK file, you don't have to be rooted, so which is nice. So anyone can actually install it pretty quickly. So I'm going to open it. Alright, so it does take us to the camera app itself. Okay, so what you're going to do next is go to settings. So let's go to settings, and you're gonna go to the last tab, which is this one. Yeah, the last tab, and you can see let's see, scroll down. You're gonna find edit camera script. So let's find it. Yeah, there we go. You just scroll down a bit, you can see edit camera script over here. So just click on the script, and this is what we get. So you're gonna copy the code. I'm gonna find a link description to the code where you can copy and paste into this path. So I'm going to delete everything here. So I'm going to just delete everything. We don't need all this because this is not the correct settings for the camera. So let's go ahead and delete everything. Alright, so now it's done. So we're going to paste. So I've already copied in my clipboard, so paste, and there we go. This is the code that I'll be providing to you guys in the link description later. So click done and click apply. Then that's it. So we can now start the record at 60 frames per second. Alright, so once you have already added the code and click apply, and you go back to your main screen here, make sure you go to settings and go to the video tab. To explain this, you can scroll down. You can select your bitrate, your video frame rate, and your resolution, which is over here. So at first I actually didn't change it, it was default. So make sure you change it to default, I mean to 4K. So it says may not be supported, but I'm just gonna try it. And also don't forget to change change this one as well. No, this is photo, sorry. Change the video bitrate. If you want a better quality, you can go with a higher bitrate, but I'm gonna stick with 17 and see how big the size gets. And we get a video frame rate of 60. So here we go. I did not try 90 or 120. I don't think it's supported, but we're gonna just try 60 and take a look. So record. I know this app isn't that great, but this is the only app to get it to work. So yeah. So we can click save, and now we can choose. I think it's saved. I'm not sure where it's saved. So we have to find that file. Okay, it's here. I got it. Details. We can see. I don't think they would. It is 4K, but I can't verify from the Samsung the app here. So we have to verify this in the computer once I plug it in and check it out. Well, let's just play it. I'm not sure it's 60. Yeah, it's very hard to tell now. only can tell when I'm in the computer. So yeah, we'll be showing you guys whether it is recording at 60 or not before we continue. So here it is. I found it. It's at the camera folder. So I don't think we can see the details on here. No, we can't. There's not much info on this. We just play. Yeah, we just play straight away. Yeah, then guys, I'll check the computer and I'll be right back to verify whether it's truly 60 frames per second. So we'll be right back shortly after this. Alright guys, so I just came back from the computer and I did verify the file size and the bitrate and also the frame rate. So it is indeed 60 frames per second, which is fantastic. So with that LG app, which is where's the app? Yeah, this app, LG camera. I don't think you can see it. Yeah. So this is the only way you can use your Galaxy S8 or your Note 8 to record 60 frames per second in that app. So this is a current app which you can use. You can't use it. I mean, obviously you can't enable 60 frames per second natively on the camera app, the Samsung camera app. So which is sad, but somebody found out how to actually hack your Galaxy S8 and Note 8 to enable 60 frames per second, which is fantastic. So guys, that's how you unlock the feature. So if you want to see more videos like this one, don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see you guys in another video. Peace out.